Once account has been set up, now it is time to create a fin. Fin is nothing but, here if you go to create option on left hand side, create fin is there. Create fin is nothing but what we calling it as a post in a Facebook, right? That is here termed as a pin. Go to create pin. When you start creating a pin, you need to upload a image, or we need to upload a videos. Okay, we'll start creating a pin. It will give you the, we'll go to close this one. Okay, here you can see this will be your bold. This is the setting. Okay, first we need to upload a image or video. We can upload. Okay, we can upload both image as well as a video, and image should be 20 MB maximum size, and if you are using a videos, then it should be less than 2 GB, that particular file. We'll say click here to load the image. For example, I will load first image, one image I will load for just for the demo purpose. Okay, here we have been loaded an image. Anytime you can delete, or you can write a tag like for example, product has some tags. You can use the tagged products also. Add additional images. You can additional tags you can give. Okay, or you can use the URL of that particular product. Okay, that is about a tag. Or we'll come back, create pin, upload, select a file, loaded. Then again, if you like to edit a pin, you can edit. Okay, then here title we have to give. Title for the pin, we'll say like this. We have been given a title here, random title I have been given. You have to give a product title. Okay, here you have to give the description about a product. Description about a product. Like this, you can give the description about a product. Little more description also you can add. Then add a destination link. Any link you would like to add, you can add a link like a website page or anything like that. We can add the destination link. Okay, once you have been added a destination link, any product page, specific page you have, directly you can copy that link and you can paste it here. Once you have been created a post, this is about a post. Okay, this is a title, description. Okay, here we have an image, and here we have been given a link. And here one thing we have to do, we have to create a bold. Okay, we will create a bold. Bold is nothing but this particular type of the post should be in a one particular folder. That is nothing but a bold here. For example, I would like to create a bold, and I will give the bold as a bold name as a um, our service. Okay, for example, one particular product you have, if you categorize all the related post related to that particular product, you can give the product name here. Okay, you can say that, you can say okay, from this day, and say create. Okay, the board will be created, and we are assigning this particular add, or we can say that this particular post into that particular folder. Once you have been done, you can publish immediately. If you selected publish immediately, you can publish right now itself, or publish at later. If you selected, you can select a date and time, at what time and on which date you would like to publish this particular content. Okay, you can schedule also. We can directly publish immediately. If you select here publish your one particular pin has been published. Okay, it has been, you can send it to others also. Okay, you can start follow also, see it now how it will look. Okay, here it will look like this. Okay, so this is a way we can publish. For example, someone click on this particular link what you have been given, they can directly redirect it to website. Okay, and they can comment here, they can write a comment. Okay, here you have been, they can also add a photo to like a comment photo also, and like this it will be taken. Okay, so like this we can create a, okay, like this we can create a n number of the pins here. Create pins, by using a create pins we can start create a video pins also. Okay, you can publish any point of the time. Okay, this is a way to create a pins. This is a way to create a pins. Okay, like this we can create a multiple pins here by using this add button. Okay, any pin if you are completed you can select, and multiple pin you created, which one you would like to publish, you can select those pin and you can select those pin and say publish. If you like to delete them, you can delete all here. Okay, like this we can start creating a pins. We can start creating a pins. We'll let you know the other things like analysis and business in a next video.